Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever struggled with reaching those tricky spots between your teeth, braces, or retainers? It's easy to forget about the small details when it comes to our oral hygiene, but the reality is those hard-to-reach areas can be breeding grounds for plaque and bacteria. Today, we're looking at a product that promises to tackle just that, the Doctor's Interdental BrushPicks 2-in-1. This product combines two tools in one handy device. On one side, you've got soft bristles designed to sweep between your teeth and clean those tight spaces. On the other, a toothpick to remove food debris. Whether you're dealing with braces, permanent retainers, or just want a deeper clean, these brush picks are designed to get the job done. The Doctor's Interdental brush picks come in a 275 pack, conveniently stored in a travel-friendly case, making them perfect for on-the-go use. But let's take a closer look at how they perform. I've been using these picks daily, incorporating them into my regular oral care routine, and I can say they've been incredibly easy to add to my routine. The interdental brushes are gentle, yet effective, gliding between teeth to remove buildup without causing irritation. The toothpick end is strong, with ridges that not only help clean, but also massage the gums. For those with braces or retainers, I can see how these could be a game changer. The bristles fit into spaces that typical floss or regular brushes just can't reach, providing a deeper clean. However, while they are fantastic for cleaning, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The size of the pick might be a little too large for some, especially if you have very narrow spaces between your teeth. Also, while the 2-in-1 feature is convenient, the bristles can sometimes wear down faster than expected with heavy use, so you may need to replace them a little sooner than anticipated. So, are they worth the price? The Doctor's Interdental brush picks are priced at a premium compared to traditional dental tools like floss, but they certainly offer value for money when it comes to convenience, ease of use, and performance. If you've got braces or permanent retainers, they'll be particularly useful, saving you time and effort in cleaning hard-to-reach spots. If you're on a budget, there are similar options available, like the gum soft picks, which are a bit more affordable, but still provide good results. However, if you're looking for something that truly focuses on a deep clean, especially if you're dealing with dental appliances, the Doctor's brush picks are a great option. I've had no direct interaction with customer service, but the Doctor's brand is well regarded for its oral care products, known for quality and reliability. So to sum up, these 2-in-1 interdental picks are perfect for anyone needing a deeper clean, particularly those with braces or retainers. They're a little more expensive than other tools on the market, but they deliver performance that justifies the price, especially if you want something convenient and portable. If you're interested in getting your hands on these, I've dropped a link in the description box below. And, of course, thank you for tuning in. If you've used this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Did it work as well for you as it did for me? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.